everyone, this is Nancy from KingJet Printer. Today, we will introduce our wholesale UV DTF printer for you. Do you have this problem? I have a small shop. My budget is limited, but I want to do so many different DIY printing to meet the needs of all my clients. Don't worry, our 30cm UV DTF printer can help you solve these problems. Small size, so it is easier to transport. A2 or 40cm printing width, integrating field rolling, tearing, and laminating system. Epson P600 or i16000 head optional. Customers can choose different print head according to the budget. Unique wide-in circulation system to prevent print head clogging. Let me show you how to the process of UV DTF sample transfer. Only one stick, clear, finish. Let's do some tests together. Violent friction does not scratch. No falling off in water. High temperature resistance. Its printing cost is $2. We also provide one-stop purchasing service. Want to know more? Please contact us. Bye!